Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect KOT4X to MT5 in 2026. In order to do it, first of all, I want you to launch your MT5 application on your device, whether it is in Android or in your iOS device. So when you launch MT5, you are going to see this home page. So here you can either tap on this plus icon or this tab that says add trading account. So here after tapping on it, you will be landed on this page where use the search bar. Then you need to simply search for KOT4X. So after searching for it, when you are able to find its server in the list, you need to tap on that. Then it will ask you to provide your login credentials associated with your KOT4X account. So in order to get these, you need to first of all get access to your KOT4X account's dashboard. So if you have an account with them, simply log into it. Then go to the settings and there you will find the MT5 login credentials. After that, you need to copy the server from there first. When you paste the server over here, it will show up on this particular page. So after tapping on it, simply provide your login ID and your password. And simply tap on the option of login. So this way you will be able to connect your KOT4X account to MT5 in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.